What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Tuesday, March 14th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, you can see the primary weather events that we have going on here is the wintry storm and mess that we have going on across the Northeast here around the New York area. And we also have another atmospheric river of a storm here coming in through California, bringing in heavy rains and heavy snows in the mountainous regions, which is just causing for a catastrophic flooding events, levees breaking and everything in California. So please keep them in your prayers. But as we look on into the rest of the United States, we may have a few thunderstorms here across parts of Texas, central Texas here later on this afternoon and evening. But for the most part, it is fairly quiet. As you can see, fairly cool and cold here across the eastern United States. We have 40s to near 50 here across southeast Louisiana. Move eastward along the Mississippi, Alabama, Florida Gulf Coast. They are in the upper 40s to some low 50s as well. Even back into Texas, you have even some 40s and 30s in the panhandle. So, yes, it's quite chilly here across the eastern United States. And even down into Miami, you guys, this front has made it all the way south of the Florida Keys here. So, we even have some north winds coming all the way down into Miami. So, that's very interesting with this big low pressure center spiraling off the East Coast. And we're going to take a look up. Never mind this error message, you guys. We're going to take a look here at this big spiraling low pressure off the eastern seaboard. And as you can see, we have some heavy snowfall going on across upstate New York, Vermont, even into parts of New York City. Looks like it's been, let's zoom in, you guys. Let's get a real closer look. Look like, yes, they are having some snowfall going on. Look like it's transitioning back from rain to snow, rain to snow. But for the most part, it looked like they are getting some wintry weather there in New York. So if that's what you love, you should be out enjoying it. But as you can see, Boston currently right now is in some heavy rain at the moment as the snow is further inland from them. So if you live up in this area of the country, you guys, please be on the lookout. If you have to be out traveling, please use caution when out on the roadways. And as you can see further south, even into parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, all into the Ohio Valley here, you can see that there is some snow flurries and showers all ongoing here. So be on the lookout in those areas as well. And as we go to the south here, you can see just cold weather here across Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. You can see the few thunderstorms and showers here across Texas. Even parts of the panhandle have some showers, little wintry mixed precipitation here with these colder temperatures. And then as we move to California, off the west coast, you can see that heavy rainfall advisory is in effect here. As you can see, this system just funneling in all of that moisture here across California, causing all that catastrophic flooding. So please, if you stay in that area, please use caution if you have to be out. All right, you guys, as we take the surface map off, all right, let's get some of this off. I'm going to clear some of this. We'll keep the radar on, you guys, for now. Let me clear some of that off. And as we go in segue, all right, here we go, you guys. Here we go, Convective Outlook Day 3. So this is going to be valid for Thursday, you guys. And as you can see, there is a slight risk of severe weather from southeast Oklahoma down into the Oclotech regions, extending all the way down into south central Texas here, the Houston area, San Antonio, Dallas, even Shreveport. All these areas will be in for the possibility of some severe weather on Thursday here. And large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes will all be on the table with this system. And I want to quickly show you guys before we get on out of here for today. Let me take this off. We're going to go to the GFS here, you guys. Let's see. We're Gonna pull up my favorite 500 millibar. 500 millibars. We're gonna do the 850 low level winds here. All right, then the 850 contour heights. All right, you guys, and as you can see here, you guys, starting roughly Thursday morning, 7 a.m., you can see we have a system here, a low that's going to possibly be starting to form near the Kansas-Oklahoma border here. And you can see the strong southwest flow that's already going to be ongoing. But look at these strong low-level wind profiles here across the Dallas area, southern Oklahoma. The atmosphere will be getting primed here for some severe weather, so you will have to be on the lookout Thursday if you do stay in the Arklatex region and extending down south into parts of south central Texas. As we move along during the 16th, you guys, we're going to go to about, let's see, 4 p.m. All right, you guys, let it load for me real quick. All right, as you can see here by 4 p.m. All right, hold on, you guys. I'm going a little too far ahead. All right, here we go. All right, by 10 a.m., by 1 o'clock, you can see as this low quickly starts to eject northeast here into parts of the northern plains Midwest. You can see these low-level wind profiles really start to strengthen here across parts of Missouri, Arkansas, but where the main dynamics is going to be at to actually fuel this severe weather event will be in the Arklatex region here and in parts of Texas. So where these low-level wind profiles are the strongest at in this area, extending all the way down to the Houston area, we could possibly see some severe weather here. And then as we move along further into time, during the day on Thursday, you can see all of this starts to push, all these strong low-level wind profiles starts to push on out here. So we're going to take a look back at this again. It's still pretty fairly early, day 3 here, so I'm sure this is going to change I'm sure it's probably going to change quite a bit here leading up to the day of this severe weather event. So just check back here at your weather on the fly for the latest information, or you can stay up to date on the Storm Prediction Center or your National Weather Service local website. But yes, you guys, we do have that threat for, hold on, you guys, I'm putting all my little things back. I like to end the video with all my temperatures and everything else up. All right, you guys. But yes, you guys, we will have that threat Thursday for some severe weather here across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas. So be on the lookout Thursday in that area. Other than that, for today, be on the lookout. Use caution if you have to be out in the Northeast or on the West Coast in California. Other than that, everybody else is enjoying some nice, cool, cold/cool, depending on how you dress for it, conditions. So everyone, please be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.